Sige.
Yan. Dalawa lang ha.
Diyan sana. Ah, sige.
Dalawang buhangin.
Sir, makit ka na ba dito? Akit ka muna, tingnan mo. Ha? Dito oh, pwede oh.
Butas pa yan eh. Akyat ka.
May akyatan daw dyan eh. Sige, susunod ako. So two of the doors is facing the road, while the two other doors is in the sideway rather, but in this small sidewalk. So pretty big lot, but just a small, apartment, just to get money from the lot. Because instead of just living it, sitting here doing nothing. Hindi pa ito nabubuhusan. Kailan ito bubuhusan?
Ay, hindi yan. Sasarahan na yan. Flooring na lang.
Kailan pa?
Ano ko walang bakal eh.
Walang bakal.
Yung pang sana yata. Thank you.